have a class with me. Oh, I'm sorry. What I am thinking is our class. I really forgot Miss class. Okay. So now I will share to you the 5B. Wait me ha, Tonyo. I will done with that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have here the different vocabulary words. Okay. Here. A state agent is a person whose job is to sell houses and land for people. Gardener, a person whose job is to work in a garden. Okay, you are a gardener. You work in the garden. Okay, another one, we have the word. So we have the word groundkeeper, a person whose job is to take care of the sports field or the park. And journalists, okay, it is whose job is to collect and write news story. That's journalists. Okay. And then delivery man. Okay. So locksmith, a person whose job is making, fitting, and repairing locks. Developer, a person or company that buys land or buildings in order to build new houses or shops. Okay, that's it. Okay, another, we have one. Stunt performer, trained professional who performs daring acts. A person who teaches people how to surf. Sales assistant, a person works on sales floor, okay, providing assistance directly customer, okay.
Okay.
And okay, passionate or showing strong feelings of love. Okay, creative, involving the use of skill, imagination to produce something new, wage, to begin a war, to begin a battle. Okay. So here, Tono, please match. Okay, we have words here. We have jobs. Please match these jobs from what is given here. Okay.
Okay.
So you tell me if you're done, Tono, ha?
Okay.
Yeah.
Chứ chưa học không ạ?
I finished, teacher.
Okay. Okay, what is the answer? Letter A, locksmith. Very good. As you can see, what is that? Trying to fix the lock. Okay. Next, state agent. Next,
Ground.
groundskeeper. Next, stunt performer. Next, builder. Okay. Now, match the words below with what they indicate. Oh, sorry, ha. Okay. So, yeah. This one, okay, this is stunt performer. Okay, groundkeeper. Very good. Great job, Tuno. Sorry. Okay, this one. Please try to match the words below with what they indicate in 1 to 6. Okay?
Okay.
Example, this is number one. Whoever contrasting point, it means you contrast. You don't like it. Additional point, it means you add. Okay? An example paraphrase, it means you extend or you change the sentence. Okay, you change the paragraph. Okay. Not only that, okay. On the other hand, it means another hand, it's different opinion. Okay, go.
Okay. I'm finished, teacher.
Okay. Match the words below with what they indicate. Oh, it's 4. It's 3, 2, 1, 6. Oh, quite hard too. I know it. This is hard. Ah, this is hard. 4, 3, 1, and 6. Okay, my opinion. Okay, moreover, as I see it, touch us in spite of this. Okay, I know this really hard. Okay, so this one. Please try to listen. Okay, listen ha. A to F. Okay, ready?
Lesson 5C,
Wait,
Exercise 4. A.
Kathy wants to become a journalist. However,
B.
working as a pizza delivery man is quite stressful. What's more,
C.
I think builders have a very boring job. What I mean is,
D.
the job of gardener is very skilled and challenging. In spite of this,
E.
I'd like to have a job that pays well, such as
F.
the job of sales assistant is very tiring. That's because
Teacher, can we part task 2? I see I'm sure, teacher.
Uh-huh.
Can we part the task 2?
Task 2.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, please look up the answer. Okay, you can take a picture, no? You have cell phone?
Yes.
Okay, take a pictures.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, you want to listen again?
Yes.
Please, did you take a picture?
Yes, I
Lesson
took it.
5C, Exercise 4. A.
Kathy wants to become a journalist. However,
B.
working as a pizza delivery man is quite stressful. What's more,
C.
I think builders have a very boring job. What I mean is,
D.
the job of gardener is very skilled and challenging. In spite of this,
E.
I'd like to have a job that pays well, such as
F.
the job of sales assistant is very tiring. That's because
Can we listen again, teacher?
Lesson 5C, Exercise 4. A.
Kathy wants to become a journalist. However,
B.
working as a pizza delivery man is quite stressful. What's more,
C.
I think builders have a very boring job. What I mean is,
D.
the job of gardener is very skilled and challenging. In spite of this,
E.
I'd like to have a job that pays well, such as
F.
the job of sales assistant is very tiring. That's because
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay. So we have here the choices. We have contrasting point, additional point, okay, example, paraphrase, opinion, giving a reason. So number 1, number 2, it's 2. Letter C, it's 4. Letter D is 1. Letter E is 3. And 6 is G. Okay, some other are correct. You've got 3 correct answer. Oh, not that bad, oh no. Okay, now listen to the completed sentence and check your answer. You're done with this. Now, complete the sentences in your own words. Use the words in the bracket to help you. Example, this one, ha? Nevertheless, it is rewarding. Okay, you will use the words in the bracket.
Okay. I'm Felicity teacher.
Okay, so waiters have a very stressful job. For instance, okay, they have to work long hours. Very good. They work long hours. Okay. Having a university degree will help you get a good job. Not only that, okay, not only that, but you will earn more money. Okay. To earn, not only that, to earn more money. Okay. That's it. It could be. I don't think university education should be free. As I see it, okay, parents should have to pay their, okay, parents should pay, okay, should have to pay or should pay, okay. I don't want to be a sales assistant. This is because it is, you have to deal, okay, it is because you have to deal with the public because you have, okay. So the meaning of you is the sales assistant. So if you will be a sales assistant, Tono, you will have to deal with the public. Okay, that's worse. Okay. Okay, so we have here. So this one, read the sentences, write true or false this one. Okay, very easy.
Lesson 5C. Exercises 7
Or-
and 8.
Today, in our series about unusual jobs, I'm talking to Sean Aitken. Sean spent a year doing not one job, but 52, one for each week of the year. Hello, Sean, and welcome to the show.
Hi.
So, when did you come up with the idea?
It was when I finished university. I realized I didn't know what I wanted to do in life.
What did you study at university?
I did business studies, but I had no idea what to do with my degree.
So, how did you come up with the idea of 52 jobs?
Well, I asked my dad for advice, and he said I should do something I was passionate about. But I didn't know what that was, so I set up the website, oneweekjob.com. I asked employers all over the world to give me a job for just 1 week, and I would do a new job every week.
52 different jobs.
Yes, one a week for a whole year. I wanted to discover what I'm truly passionate about.
How did you find 52 jobs? It's difficult enough to find one.
Some people offered me a job when they heard about what I was doing, but I found most of the jobs by searching online.
What jobs did you do? Give us some examples.
Radio DJ, fireman, journalist, yoga teacher, baker. I couldn't find all the jobs in one place, of course, so I had to travel a lot.
Did you take any holiday?
No, I worked for 52 weeks without stopping. It was incredibly tiring, traveling between each job, finding somewhere to stay. I often had to sleep on someone's sofa for a week, and I was always short of money. But in spite of that, I've had an amazing time and met some fantastic people.
You were short of money. Didn't your employers pay you?
They paid me, but I never had much money to spend. That's because I donated all of my wages to charity.
What was the most challenging job?
Working on a farm. That was so hard. I had to get up at 5 o'clock every morning, and the work was very tiring.
So, what did you learn from your 52 jobs?
I learned that to enjoy your job, you need to be really passionate about it. Your job has to have meaning. It's more than just money. And it's important that you work with people that you get on with and who have similar interests to you.
So, would you do it again?
Well, at the moment, I'm helping other people around the world to do their own 52-week job project. I found that I'm passionate about helping others.
Thank you very much for coming in and talking to us, Sean.
My pleasure.
I'm fitness teacher.
Okay. So we have here, after talking to his dad, Sia knew what job he wanted. Okay. Number 2, please read number 2. Read. Oh, no.
An accident outside of work prevented him from returning to his first job.
Previous job.
His
Okay.
letter and
3.
he found the material of the job on the internet. True.
Okay. 4.
He took the few short break between the job. 1.
Okay. 5.
Thing saves a lot of money while he was working.
Okay. 6.
He thinks that it's important to work with people who you have a lot in common with.
Okay, yes. Okay, you've got 4 correct answer. Very good. Okay. Now, Tono, this is it. Think of 5 jobs that you would like to try for a week. Okay. And tell me why you like them. Okay? You have to think, and then after a while, if you are ready to speak, you have to speak to me. What are the 5 jobs that you want to try in a week? Okay? So you think, or give me 3 only, 3 jobs that you want to try in a week. And after, you tell me.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, you have to speak now. Okay, just I will wait, huh? Just tell me if you are ready.
Okay. I'm finished teacher.
Okay.
I would like to be an artist because I want to draw picture and so put the picture with everyone. But I want to be a teacher, English teacher, because I want to teach something about English and for the student or everyone. But
Okay.
being fly strength and is good is better than because I can service the computer in the airplane and I slow travel many country or planes.
Hey, yes. Okay, so you want to be a teacher, you want to be an artist and flight attendant, the last one?
Yes.
Okay, wow. Okay, of the three, what do you like the most? I will ask you.
I like the most uh English teacher.
Oh, you want to be like teacher and you want to be an English teacher someday. That's why you want to learn. Okay. Wow, that's a great job. Tono, okay, of course, you will gonna learn that someday. Okay, someday you will gonna realize, oh, my dream is coming true. Okay, don't forget that we have to study more and more. You need to speak more and more. Okay, Tono? Okay, I am so happy you finally speak a lot. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, yes. Teacher N will say goodbye now. Okay, I will see you. Oh, are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm busy at night. Can we have a Friday for
Okay, Friday. Sige. Okay, Friday 4 p.m. Okay?
yes,
Yes. Okay, bye-bye. See you.
a teacher?
Thank you, Tono. Very good, Tono. Thank you.